In August 1945, the world witnessed one of the most shocking moments in human history. The United States dropped 2 atomic bombs on Japan. One bomb destroyed Hiroshima, another bomb destroyed Nagasaki. But the question is, why did America do this? To understand this, we must go back to World War II. By 1945, World War II had already lasted for 6 brutal years. Germany had surrendered in Europe, but Japan was still fighting in the Pacific. Japanese forces refused to surrender. Even after suffering massive losses, the Japanese military believed surrender was dishonorable. Their soldiers were trained to fight until death. Many Japanese soldiers even chose suicide over surrender. The United States feared that invading Japan directly would be extremely deadly. Military experts predicted that a land invasion could kill millions. Both American soldiers and Japanese civilians could die. The planned invasion of Japan was called Operation Downfall. It was expected to be one of the bloodiest battles in history. At the same time, the United States had developed a new weapon. This weapon was the atomic bomb. It was created under a secret project called the Manhattan Project. Scientists had discovered how to release massive energy from atoms. The power of this weapon was unlike anything the world had seen before. President Harry Truman now had a difficult decision. He could invade Japan, or he could use the atomic bomb to force Japan to surrender. American leaders believed the bomb could end the war quickly. They also wanted to show their military power, especially to the Soviet Union. On August 6, 1945, the first atomic bomb was dropped. The bomb was dropped on the city of Hiroshima. Within seconds, the city was destroyed. About 70,000 people died instantly. Thousands more died later from burns and radiation. But Japan still did not surrender immediately. 3 days later, another bomb was dropped. This time, the target was Nagasaki. The explosion destroyed much of the city. Around 40,000 people died instantly. Many more died in the following months. The destruction shocked the entire world. Japan finally realized the war could not continue. On August 15, 1945, Japan announced its surrender. World War II finally came to an end. But the debate about the atomic bomb still continues today. Some people believe the bomb saved millions of lives because they prevented a long and deadly invasion. Others believe the bombing was unnecessary and cruel because so many civilians were killed. Even today, Hiroshima and Nagasaki remain symbols of nuclear destruction. They remind the world of the terrible power of nuclear weapons and why humanity must be careful with such power. The atomic bomb ended World War II, but it also began the nuclear age, a time when humanity gained the power to destroy itself. And that is why the story of Hiroshima and Nagasaki will never be forgotten.